So, as we celebrate the 80th year of India's independence, we remember with deep gratitude the sacrifices of our countless freedom fighters who secured for us the rights and the freedoms that we enjoy today. So, while we did not fight the battle ourselves, we have inherited it. Uh, from those who have fought for it. So, the best tribute which we can pay to them is not merely to celebrate our rights, but also to fulfill our duties towards the society, towards the nation, and towards the future generations. So, today I would like to speak about a different dimension of freedom, that is, freedom from wasteful consumption, freedom from resource inefficiency, and freedom from unsustainable habits. So, as you all know, that India's textile sector is one of the largest in the world and a major source of livelihoods, entrepreneurship, and exports. So, it reflects the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of 5F, that is, farm to fiber, fiber to factory, factory to fashion, and fashion to foreign markets. So, as India strengthens its position in the global textile market, we must ensure that this journey is not only economically successful but also environmentally sustainable. So, one of the challenges before us today is the rise of fast fashion. So, clothes are purchased more frequently, used for shorter durations, and they are thrown even while they have some useful life left. आजकल हम लोग देखते हैं, अगर सोशल मीडिया पे हम लोगों ने एक फोटो अपलोड कर दी, तो उस कपड़ों में दूसरी दूसरी जगह हम लोग पहनते नहीं है, बिकॉज वी थिंक दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड अ फोटो एंड पीपल हैव सीन मी इन दिस ड्रेस, सो यू डोंट यूज दैट ड्रेस अगेन. So, in every household, there are many garments which are lying unused in the cupboards and the storage spaces. So, individually, the quantity may appear small, but when you take the aggregate, it is a significant challenge. As Joint Secretary Films, I was very appreciative of the fact when Alia Bhatt refashioned her wedding sari and she wore it again to take the National Film Awards in 2024. So these are the type of role models will look forward who recycle and upcycle their wardrobes and give a new life to the clothes they wear. So as we all know that the textile waste value chain report has been tabled, and India generates around about 70 lakh tons of textile waste annually, with nearly 58% arising after the consumer use. So every discarded garment represents valuable resources like the fiber, water, energy, chemicals, the transportation, and the human effort in it. So when we discard a garment before its life, we waste all these resources which are embedded in it. Therefore, textile waste is not merely an environmental issue, it is also an economic and social challenge as well. So, recognizing this, the Government of India is promoting sustainability and circularity through initiatives and the recently announced schemes such as the Tex Eco schemes, which seeks to encourage resource efficiency, recycling, and environmentally responsible practices across the textile value chain. We are also looking forward to AI technologies which empower the textile manufacturers by using AI. They are cutting the uh, amount of wastage by around 10%, which is highly substantial. So, sustainability begins at the fiber stage itself. The Ministry of Textiles is actively promoting new age fibers also, and we are exploring their inclusion into the new fiber scheme. Many of these fibers are biodegradable, eco friendly, and resource efficient, and they offer sustainable alternatives for the future. So, as global consumers increasingly demand environmentally responsible products, India has the opportunity to become a leader not only in textile manufacturing but also in sustainable fiber innovation. So the Office of the Textile Commissioner, the Office of the Textile Committee, along with the Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation and our NGO TISR, as well as we have two partners more as well. they have established the textile recovery facility at Navi Mumbai, which serves as a demonstration center for recycling and circularity. So the facility, it promotes collection, segregation, upcycling, and recovery of the textile waste which would have ended into the landfill, and it also showcases how textile waste can be transformed into valuable products and livelihoods rather than ending in landfills. So in this context, I'm very pleased to and I really appreciate the initiative of Refiber, which provides the citizens a simple digital platform to schedule doorstep collection of unused garments. You don't have to go anywhere and do the act. You just need to press a button and schedule the pickup of your unused garments. And it is working with partners like TISR, CMAI, UNIDO, and the Lions International. And this initiative will help channel the textile towards reuse, repurposing, and upcycling. So the collection of nearly 2.7 tons of garment on the World Environment Day in a single day in Mumbai demonstrates that citizens are ready to participate when a transparent and a convenient system is available to them. So, in the Office of the Textile Commissioner, we are also strengthening the sector's data ecosystem, because you know that any policy making needs data. So, we are strengthening the sector's data ecosystem through the revamped Textile Statistical Return System portal. So, the filing of TSRS returns is mandatory for all the notified textile stakeholders. So now we will get reliable data, which is essential for informed policy making and for charting the future growth of the textile sector. So as we move towards the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, let us adopt a simple mantra: conscious buying and conscious living. Let us buy responsibly, use products longer, support repair, reuse, choose upcycle products, and embrace a sustainable lifestyle choice. So the journey from local to global must also be a journey from linear to circular. So small actions taken by crores of citizens can really create a transformative change. So on this Independence Day, let us honor the freedom we have inherited by taking the responsibility for the future we all are going to create. So together, let us build a cleaner, greener, more sustainable, and more prosperous India. Jai Hind.